Hey everyone, Robert here with Driving with Robert. I'm in Las Vegas, Nevada. Decided to come out here and I've been out here all day. This place is beautiful. I'm currently in my hotel room on the 27th floor. You could tell by how close I am to the top of the building. That's part of the hotel right there, the green and black stripes. MGM Grand. I've been going here since they built the place. Speaking of building the place, right out there, across the way, that's going to be a baseball stadium. Now, because I don't know too much about sports, I can't remember the name of the team that's coming to Las Vegas. I was told what it was today, but that's what I call a senior moment. I wish I could remember the name of the baseball team. But anyways, that's the stadium they're building for them. It's going to be pretty big. It looks small from up here. And you see those the hotels over there? That's the Mandalay Bay with the gold mirrors windows. The pyramid across the way, that's called the Luxor. The one with the weird paint, red and blue, that's Excalibur. And then over here to the right, you can barely see it through the window, that's going to be New York, New York. That's the strip down there where all the road is. That's the main strip that you take to get in here from California. It takes about 4 hours to get from my place to here. It's a good drive, but if you get in the zone, it goes by quick. But check that out. I mean, this place is great. A lot of the casinos are, changing because it's, been a long time since they were built. Back in the 90s is when they built most of these hotels and casinos. But I just thought I'd show you guys. The sun's going down. The airport's right out there. Straight. You can see a couple of jets sitting there kicking back. They also have helicopters that are like straight in front of me, where that big giant crane is, back in the back over there. They got like private helicopter, what do they call them? Man, I don't know. Once I get up high up here like this, my brain starts tripping out. I don't know what it is. It's been a really, it's been a lot of craziness for the last couple of months. That's probably why. But decided to come out here. I've been here since about 2 o'clock, and now I think it's like about probably 7. You can see the hotel room. I usually don't put lights on. I'm a non-light person. Lights. So let's see. Let's go see what time it is. It is 7:38 p.m. Leftovers from dinner. I had the filet mignon, mashed potatoes, asparagus, bread, salad. I'm currently watching, if you hear in the background, it's the new Predator, Badlands it's called. So, yeah, I love looking out at the hotel room. Always like doing this. I always like getting the view. I'm either on this side of the building or on the other side where these green stripes are. On the other side, there's another wing that goes back towards the other part of the strip. There's like 2 different types of strips. But I wish I could remember the name of the baseball team. What the heck was the name of it? I can't remember. But anyways, that's it. Just thought I'd show you guys. It's sun's starting to go down, and it's a pretty good view out there right now. I should be back tomorrow, back home. Hey, I hope you guys, the locals, trying to go find the silver coin. I was thinking about leaving one here in Vegas. No one's gone out to go look for it. And I think I know why. I checked on my subscriber count. It's about 247,000, almost a 250,000 people. 250,000 subscribers. The percentage of USA out of everybody equals to about 6.2% of that number. And that counts out, when you do it by numbers, that's about 15,000 people in the US, total US, not California, because I lived in Southern California, which has about 24 million people living in the area. So if you look at that number, 15,000 people across the United States, you break that number down, that's maybe about 2 or 3 people, maybe 5 people that might be in the area. But I handed out a whole bunch of poker chips because that's my business cards. I make them. Well, I have them made. So I've handed out over 200 of them in the local area. So hey, if you guys want to start making some money, I'm going to be putting more of these silver coins out in the field. Not out in the field, but you guys know what I mean. Out throughout the city. I'm going to try and keep it local, so if I need to go, if they sit too long over there, I'm going to go get it. And then reposition it somewhere else. But this is always outstanding. Always. Always. I always like to get the top floors. But anyways, so this is just it for Las Vegas. I'll probably be posting up a video from here. But when I get back, because I don't have any equipment with me. This is sort of a last minute deal to come out here. But all right, until the next video, late.